What's up, people? So basically, it is 10:09 at night, and we're gonna explore at night. She's gonna take me because I was bored at home. We didn't do anything. Like I told her to edit my videos because my laptop is off and I don't have a proper 3-pin plug, so I couldn't edit. She was editing. Soon I'll post those videos. I'm sorry for the delay because I'm on my holiday and I really didn't bother to film and edit. I did film but didn't edit. So yeah, basically we're gonna roam around. We're going to South Bank and we're gonna catch a bus from Barkin, get down to Barkin station. We're gonna catch a train, get down at Waterloo, and from there we're gonna walk to South Bank and she's gonna show me some bit of nightlife in London. Let's see if you are interested what kind of nightlife London has, then please keep on watching. So we have reached on this Waterloo station, and this station is very massive. I really liked it. And yeah, so we got down at West Ham and we changed the train, Jubilee line, and we came on this Waterloo station. Now she's gonna take me to some kind of tunnel. She was saying something tunnel and stuff. I just said, do whatever you want, it's your night, as in you can take me wherever you want because I have no idea about this city.
But it happened.
As in, she would know it better, where to go, what to do. I am a guest of the city, so she's gonna take me along. I don't know where. I'll show you.
Surprise.
Okay, it's a surprise for me and you guys too. So if you want to know what surprise is, then please keep on watching. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. So this was the tunnel. She wanted to show me people come here, show their creativity, spray on the walls, and show their talent. And I hope you can hear me. People come here, shoot their videos. She had done one. Go follow her on Instagram. So I'll leave her handle in the description bar so you can see the video. It's amazing. As in, it's a dance video with her friend. People come here, chill. They have a smoke party, smoke, drink, and stuff. Cute and nice. So let's see what we have next. Please bear with me for the light because I'm roaming night. As in, if you have watched my London vlog when like 2 years back when I came here, I had come over here and literally had fun. So please go watch that video as well. Oh, all those memories just running in front of my eyes. But that was a daytime and it was more prettier. This is also very pretty. You can see. I'm gonna come though in daytime. We're gonna go on that London Eye and do several things. So yeah, let's go see what else is there. So the place she showed you right now, it was where they shot for Street Dancer, basically ABCD3. So she had worked in that, so they had a shoot over there 2-3 months ago. So when they did a little bit of photography, I'll post some pictures so you can rate them in the comment section. So how was I as a model?
It was fantastic.
Yeah, as always, never going to lie. So now we are going to Trafalgar Square. So we have to walk a bit and then she's gonna take me somewhere. Oh, we're gonna cross the bridge. So she's gonna take me somewhere to eat because I'm hungry now. So she said, gotta walk a little bit more so you feel more hungry. And I hate her for that. But anyways, so keep watching, don't go anywhere. Let me go. Bye. Yeah, so this is what it is, the Trafalgar Square, and this is the fountain. It is off right now, I guess, so in daytime, and there's a water and a circle around, and you can sit on it. The lions, very nice. What it is exactly?
People come here and they do like performances and stuff. And
You know what the
there's,
place
like,
is? Nothing.
That's the National Gallery.
Oh, so that's the National Gallery, and then
We can go there.
Yeah.
It's like paintings and stuff though.
And people come here, do their performance. It's like a huge
They do concerts and
compound
stuff
and huge space to do stuff like that.
here. So
And at night time,
Pride will
people
be
are-
here.
Oh, so I'll take you guys on the 6th. Yeah, I'm gonna do some eye painting. I'll
And-
try on hers as well if you like get up early. And this is also if we get up early. Otherwise, I'll just lipstick and out. Yeah.
They do
So this
Diwali
is
on
what
the
it
square
is.
here as well.
Which one?
Diwali on the square.
Diwali.
So they have like over here they have like performances and stuff.
Okay.
And then everyone's like over here they have, and then we've done the massive performance here like go by one.
So for that, follow her on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. So she will share her stories. I will re-share her story so you can see how Diwali, how they celebrate Diwali over here, what kind of performances they have, and whatsoever it is. If you come like in daytime, I'll show you what this is exactly, and they have painting and stuff inside. So yeah, that is like this is what it is. Now
Next
we'll
stop,
go. Next stop is
Square.
Leicester Square. this is Leicester Square, and there are few casinos, few cinema halls, and few restaurants, stuff like that. And from here we will walk towards Piccadilly Circus. This will be interesting in daytime. Definitely, I'm going to come in the daytime and to show you. So right now I have spotted McDonald's and very hungry, so we'll go grab something and then we'll walk towards the Piccadilly Circus.
So this is where they do cinema premieres. So all the actors and actresses and stuff come down for their movies and premiere their films. So this is where they
They'll do on the street.
in these cinemas. So you got IMAX, you got Cineworld over there, you got
Even we
Odeon,
have IMAX.
you got Odeon.
Okay, like that. Yeah, so this was the last stop, our night, and this was Piccadilly Circus. So in daytime, you guys have the Goldmans and stuff, musicians, some dancers, and a lot of things happens. I'll show you in daytime. And at night, it is kind of garbage now, as in people have just destroyed this place. They have partied and few stuff over here, so in the morning they will clean up. And she told me every night it is like that. People are just enjoying, I guess, Thursday night. And yeah, you can have a look.
Guys, please, I have work tomorrow. Let's go.
Yeah, so that's how it is, and in the morning they will clean it up. And yeah, so this was the last stop and we are done with our night. We're gonna find our way to go home, get some sleep, and go somewhere else tomorrow. I guess maybe shopping for Friday. So before that, you like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to comment down below what do you think about my trip and holiday and vlog. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye. Say bye.